Welcome back, everybody, to another video of Beginners Barbecue Outdoors, where we show step-by-step recipes. Do them in a special way. I saw these on TikTok and I was like, damn, they look good. Those I'm using are the Italian sausage hot. I'm gonna use those. We have some mozzarella. We got some bell peppers here. We got the red, the orange, and we got some onions. Because I know you guys always notice that I don't use a lot of onions, and always asking in the comments, where are the onions? Onions are here this time. So the way we're doing this is we're going to cut these, and it's how you call it, we're going to butterfly cut them. You know, where you cut them not all the way, but we're going to cut them, open them up, put them on the Traeger light. Cut them, open them up, and put them on the Blackstone. So it's just simple. A nice cut. We're going to open wide, just like that. So we're going to do two of them. The season that we're using is going to be the Cubano rub from Lane's Barbecue. Now this one I used it, and I like it. And for veggies, I'm going to use it for the onions. All this. This is a perfect seasoning for these. We tried it and it tastes so good. I'm going to use that for this. Remember, there's a link in the description if you guys want to try this or any other barbecue rub or barbecue sauces. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Blackstone. Go ahead and put this in medium low. Down here. Put our veggies over here because the broth should be quick to cook also. We're going to add some of this Cubano. Give it that Cubano feel. Yeah, buddy. See how quick that cooks? So what we're going to do now, we're going to add these on top, just like that. Why does onions always smell good when they're cooked? Ooh, grilled onions always smell good. I'm trying to pack them in there. Alright guys, now what we're going to do is this. We're going to have the mozzarella right on top. I want it cheesy. We're going to have our green salsa, and just on top like that. Alright. How are they looking? Looking good. I want them all melted. Man, they smell good too. Ooh, I'm actually excited to try this. How's that look? That looks good. Just put it on our plate. There it is. Yeah. All right, guys, so here you have it. This looks great. I know it looks good, man. It looks good. I'm excited. This smells. With a little bit of green salsa in there, that was a game changer right there for me. So with all this, let's give it a try. Oh, you see the juices coming out? A bit of onions, cheese. Look at that. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Ah, there we go. Let's give it a try. Wow. 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 This is great. Man, the little bit at the addition of having that little green salsa on it just gave it that much better. Was it that much better? Grilled onions, peppers, mozzarella cheese, all melted on top. Come on now, you can't go wrong with this. That being said, make sure you guys check out Lane's Barbecue, link in the description. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. More great content coming. You guys do not want to miss any of it. You guys check out these videos, and we'll see you guys next time.